A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are fit and fine. Children, in today's class, I am going to start a new chapter, Chapter 7, Basic HTML Tags. In the previous chapter, we have learned about the basic structure of an HTML document, just like HTML tag, head tag, title tag, and body tags. In this chapter, we will learn body tag and its attribute, line break tag, paragraph tag and its attribute, heading tag and its attribute, horizontal rule tag and its attribute, font tag and its attribute, center tag, bold, italic and underline tags, and nesting of tags. Children, I have already told you about what is attribute. Attribute is a special keyword used inside an HTML tag to give additional information about the tag and customize it. Right? Attribute is a special keyword, and with the help of the attribute we can give additional information about tags. Let's discuss this topic one by one. Body tag. As discussed earlier, the body tag is a container tag which encloses all the tags that describe the content and the layout of a web page. Any text, image, links and so on that need to be shown as a part of the web page are included with the opening and closing body tags. Some of the important attributes of the body tags are: first is BG color. BG color, this attribute is used to specify the background color of the web page. With the help of BG color, we can change the background color of the web pages. If you do not use the BG color attribute, then the default background color of the page is white. Right? If you do not use any BG color, then the default color of the background is white. How we use BG color in the tag? Write angular bracket body, after body type BG color, after that is equal to, and in double quote write color name. Next attribute is text. Text attribute is used to specify the color of the text to be displayed on the web page. With the help of the text attribute, we can give color of the text which is displayed on the web pages. If you do not use the text attribute, then the default color of the text is black. If you do not use any color, if you do not use text attribute, then the by default color of the text is black. How we use attribute? How we use text attribute? Right? Angular bracket, start angular bracket, then type body, after that type text, then equal to, and in double quote write color name, and after that close angular bracket. Right? This is the syntax of text attribute. Next attribute is background. Background attribute is used to specify the path of the image file to be displayed as the background of the web page. Background attribute is used to display any picture in the background of the web page. Don't be confused in BG color and background. BG color used to change the color of the background, and background attribute is used to set any image as a background. Right? When background attribute is used, the BG attribute has no effect. If you are using background attribute, then BG color has no effect. How we set any picture, how we set any image as the background? What is the syntax? Start angular bracket, then body, then background, after that equal to, and type the whole path of the pictures. Type the whole path of the pictures. then close the angular bracket. Next attribute is left margin. Left margin is used to specify the amount of space to be left blank from the left margin of the browser window. Right? Left margin is used to specify the distance between left margin of the browser and the text. Its value is specified in pixel. How we use left margin attribute? Same process. Start angular bracket, then body tag, then left margin, its attribute, then equal to, and in double quote write 100. After that close angular bracket. Next attribute is top margin. This top margin attribute is used to specify the amount of spaces to be left blank from the top margin of the browser window. Top margin attribute is used to give space between paragraph and the top margin of the web browser. How we use top margin? Start angular bracket, then body, then top margin. Here top margin spelling is wrong, TOPT. By mistake I typed TOPT, but top margin, then equal to, then angular bracket, in double quote write numbers, and after that close angular bracket. So these are the some attributes of the body tags. I repeat once again. BG color attribute is used to change the background color. Text attribute is used to change the color of the text. Background color is used to give any picture as a background of the web page. Left margin is used to give space between left margin of the browser and the text. Top margin is used to give space between top margin of the browser and the text. In HTML, we can either specify the color name or use the hexadecimal RGB value for the BG color and text attribute of the body tag. Means in HTML document we can give color by typing color's name and or by giving hexadecimal RGB value of the color. Right? All colors are made up of three primary color: red, green, blue. RGB value specify the amount of red, green and blue color component in hexadecimal values. There in this list you can see different hexadecimal RGB values of the different colors. If you want to use red color, then you can type red in double quote, or you can write has FF000. If you want to use pink color, then you should write pink, or you should use has FF0CB, right? So these are the hexadecimal RGB value of the color. Let's see an example. Open Notepad and start HTML, then head tag, then title, title tag close, then head tag close, after that start body, and then here you can use different attributes of the body tag. For example, BG color, is equal to any color, like just like orange. Then if you want to give text, then again text, blue. Then if you want to use margin, then you can write left margin is equal to, and top margin is equal to 100, right? So in this way you can use attribute. After that, type the text of the, I have already typed the text, I'm just copy paste here to save our time. Right, and after typing the text, close the body tag, and last close the HTML tag, right? After that, save the file with .html extension. Click on the file tab, click on the save option, choose the location where you want to save. I want to save it in the desktop, and type file name it, I write here it dot extension of HTML. Then click on save as type and choose all files. Click on the save option. I repeat once again how you save the file. Click on the file tab, then click on the save option, choose the location where you want to save, type file name with extension of HTML, or you can use .html or .htm. Then click on save as type and choose all files, then click on save option. Your file will be saved with IT. Right, now after typing the text, we can check how the web page will look like using a web browser. In the previous chapter, I have already told you how you view HTML page on a web browser. I repeat once again, open any web browser. Right now I am using Google Chrome, so I open Google Chrome. After opening the web browser, press Ctrl O, then select your file and click on open button. You can see this is the output of our code. Right, I am using orange color as a background, so you can see orange is the background, is in the background color, blue color for the text, and this is the left margin, and it is the right margin, top margin. Right, if you want to change the color, then open the code, right, and type here orange, yellow, text red, and press Ctrl S to save, and no effect now, press F5 for refresh. Right, open the code, change the color or change the code, blue, text color is yellow, press Ctrl S to save the, and open the web page and press F5 for refresh, like this. I hope you understand. Now if you want to give any picture as a background, how we give a how we set a picture as a background. Look, open the code. First of all, copy the path of the picture. How we copy the path of the any pictures? Look, and this is my pictures which I want to set as a background. So to copy of the path of this picture, simply select the picture and click on the address bar. This you can see C user Farhan desktop DPS. This is the path of this file, right? So copy this path and open your notepad code, and here is type background background is equal to start double quote and press Ctrl V. After that backslash and type the file name abc.jpg. Close the notepad code and now press Ctrl S to save this changes. Open your the web page and press F5 for refresh. Right? I repeat once again. Now I repeat once again. To set a picture as a background, first step is to copy the path of the picture which you want to set as a background. This is my picture. This is my picture which I want to set as a background of the web page. Select the picture. Then to copy the path of the picture, click on the address bar. You can see address of this picture is displayed here. Press Ctrl C to copy this path and open your notepad code and paste the path under background attributes. After that press backslash and give the image name. My image name is white cat, right? White cat dot jpg. Press Ctrl S to save this change. Now open your web page. If your changes are not displayed, press F5. You can see. I hope you understand. You can see, now move to the next topic. You can see the name of the personalities were written in different line in the HTML code. You can see I type personality name in a different line, but they appeared in the same line in the browser window, right? You can see the effect. I type personality name in a different line, but in the web browser it show in the same line. Why? Because the browser does not recognize any line break given using the enter key in the HTML code, right? Browser does not recognize any line break given using the enter key in a HTML code. Even when you write text in different line in an HTML code, it is not shown in the same manner on a browser. If you want to write in different line, then we should use line break tag. How we use line break tag? Line break tag is used to type text in a separate line. Line tag यानी कि BR tag. BR tag is used to display the name, display the text in a separate line. How we use BR tag? Let's see. Type BR from where you want to move the text into the next line. I write here Mr. Narayan Munti in the first line, right here. After that, next line, BR, right? Close the BR. It is a empty tag, BR. Then again from here shifted to the next line, BR, again BR, right? Now, so BR tag is used to display the text in a separate line. BR tag shift the text following it to the next line. After the BR, text should be moved into the next line. Press Ctrl S to see and open your web page to see the effect. you can see Mr. Narayan Murthy, Mr. Azim Premji, Mr. Sundar Pichai, Mr. Satyanandal are displayed in the separate line. I hope you understand. I repeat once again, BR tag is used to display the text in a separate line. The text after the BR tag shift to the next line, and it is a empty tag. It does not have any. I hope you understand. Watch the video very carefully and practice it at home. Thank you.